Welcome to Bodies, the core structures of your governance system. In this video, we'll explore what a body is, how to configure its key settings, and how to create new bodies to organize power, participation, and control. In our system, the fundamental building block is a body. Every new state starts with a foundational body called residence, which contains all your users. From there, you build out additional bodies to organize power, participation, and control. Each body consists of several configurable aspects. First, join conditions define how people join the body. We have already gone through them. Next, decision-making controls how proposals are evaluated and approved within the body. Powers determine what actions the body is allowed to take, like adopting documents or executing functions. Finally, checks and balances outline how this body relates to others. For example, whether it can approve documents from another body or requires the approval for its own laws. Let's drag a generic body onto the canvas to begin configuration. All bodies except residence include an internal structure section, which allows you to define internal governance mechanisms. We'll explore this functionality shortly. Powers allow you to define decision-making authorities and operational functions over other bodies. For example, you can grant this body the ability to adopt documents or execute functions that affect other bodies. To add document powers, select the document type from the list and configure the necessary adoption steps. These steps mirror those in the elections configuration, so you'll set who approves, any signature requirements, and timing. If you choose to add function, you can grant this body certain powers, for example, creating new body within the current body, dismissing a person from a selected body, abolishing another body, or recalling documents from other bodies. Once you've configured these powers, you'll see how subordinations adjust the workspace, reflecting the authority relationship you've established. Let's explore the internal structure of our Parliament body. The internal structure operates within the same workspace as the main project. Here, you can create sub-bodies, like a House of Representatives, directly inside the parent body. Once placed, it appears within the internal structure view. Returning to the main canvas, we can now see that Parliament has its internal structure established within the House of Representatives nested inside. Our system appears balanced. Each body has its relationships properly defined. Now, let's proceed with the deployment. Click Deploy to push your system live. Oh wait, there's an error. Fortunately, the system provides clear navigations to the page we need to fix. Let's address this issue. Once all issues are resolved, error notifications disappear, and we can continue. Once all issues are resolved, the deployment QR code is generated. We can scan this using our Citizen app. That's how you create and configure bodies to bring your governance system to life. In the next tutorial, we'll dive deeper into setting powers and decision-making rules to ensure your state runs smoothly.